you can see, I'm outside today for our activity. It's spring now. There's no more winter. There's no snow. And I'm not wearing a big coat with mittens and a hat. I'm in a light jacket or my hoodie. So I'm ready to go look for signs of spring. Let's come on. Let's go on a nature walk. Right here, I already found some signs of spring. There are lots of little purple flowers. They're called violets. Over here are more purple flowers. They're all along the ground. And you can see 2 yellow flowers. They're called dandelions. But up here, I see more yellow flowers. Do you see them yet? There's a whole bunch of yellow flowers in there. I think they're called buttercups. Here are some purple and blue flowers. They look like they have little bells on the flowers. Check out this plant with the cute pink blossoms. From the sides, they look like hearts. Here are some yellow daffodils. They're a kind of flower. Aren't they beautiful? Speaking of yellow, here is a bush called a forsythia bush. It has smaller yellow flowers on here. Check out the tree in front of my building. It is covered with pink and purple flowers. Let me get a little closer so you can see them better. Here are some trees that are starting to get leaves and flowers. One of them has little purple leaves or flowers. And this tree has yellow leaves. If you look at this tree over here, you can see little baby leaves starting to grow. This is my favorite place to come to when I go for a walk. Listen, you can hear the water. It's falling down into this little pond. And I'm going to take you over here so you can see the fish. The orange things in the picture are fish. They're called koi fish. And there's a big white one. He's swimming around too. Some of them are white and some of them are orange. There's another orange one over here. There he is. Trying to get him up close. Can't go outside? Can't go for a walk? Head out onto your porch or your balcony. Look at the trees and nature there. This is the view from my balcony. As you can see, I'm up high in the trees. And I can almost reach out and touch this tree. See the little baby leaves? And down there are the purple violets.